Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Persian blue color. A B C D E F G. The next one is H. H I J K. Stay with us. L M N. The next one is O. Now we're writing the alphabet of P. Q. The next one is R S T U for umbrella. Kids, the next one is V W for watch. X Y Z. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.